Ghost Road. Here we go. Just left Lyell saddle hut. Now we've got about 13k or so to Ghost Lake Hut. Yeah, it's been pretty much uphill so far, but I know that downhill's coming. Just gotta be patient, eh? Beautiful bush riding through. Some very pretty views opening out too, so yeah, expecting that it's gonna get a bit more spectacular when we get onto them tops. Fun. Might be type 2 fun at the minute though. This don't make you feel like Jurassic Park, mate, nothing will. You! Definitely more techie through here. Fun. All the work's worth it for this. So sick. Definitely not all riding on the old Ghost Road. come to this section now that's definitely having me push a little bit more, get on the bike, then you get a big bloody obstacle. Oh, there's one. Epic though. Yeah, we've had quite a bit of rain over the last sort of 60 to 90 minutes or so, and everything's been super clagged in, but riding along the ridges now and everything's clearing up, and just absolutely stunning. Awesome place. On this beautiful forest trail now. Nowhere near as technical as them ridges. No massive boulders to fuck you up on. Just super smooth. Well, I say super smooth, it's not that smooth. It's just a little bit. But definitely way more nice to ride on. Like the threat of imminently dropping off a cliff. Phew! So much fun, man. Woo! Starting out on day 2 of the old Ghost Road. Just riding through this beautiful little valley out of Stern Valley Hut. Bum's feeling slightly tender this morning, but all in all feeling pretty good. And yeah, another big day ahead, probably another 42 k's or something from here, so anticipating between 6 to 8 hours. Not as much downhill riding as yesterday, but hopefully we're going to get some cool little spots to come across anyway. So looks like we're about to go across the little bridge here. I think there's 4 or 5 along the way. Some of them look pretty freaking epic, to be perfectly honest with you. Here we go, first one, Ernest Creek. Just a little one, but beautiful nonetheless. Legs are burning in the boneyard. Bun up in the boneyard. Love when the sunlight just bursts through the canopy. First thing in the morning. Beautiful. Jesus, that's fucking dangerous. Down to the last 10k now. Back into the bush. Beautiful west coast bush. All the mossy pillows, fern forest. Just epic. Little waterfalls everywhere. Lovely light coming through the canopy. Look at it. So many different colours of green. Amazing.